Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove your payment method on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new site, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder. Here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And then here in the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then here under it, you're gonna find account settings. Go ahead and click on account settings. And then right here, basically guys, you will find all of the settings related to your Wix account. Go to the left side of your screen, and then you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find account settings, domains, business email, vouchers, filing history, premium subscriptions, payment methods, Wix payment accounts, and lastly, API keys. So right now, go ahead and click on payment methods. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the payments methods that you added to your Wix account. As you can see, guys, in my case, I don't have any payment methods. That's why I have this message saying you don't have any payment methods in your account yet. If you want to add a new payment method, just click on add a payment method here in the top right. And then as you can see, guys, you can either choose if it's a credit card. So if it's a credit card, just add your card number, expiration date, and so on. If it's PayPal, then choose PayPal right here. And then you need to add your invoice details. And then once you do that, just click on save. And then your payment method will be added. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.